The Michigan Department of Natural Resources has issued a key state permit for the proposed Great Lakes Tunnel project, moving forward plans to replace the aging Line 5 pipelines that currently rest on the lakebed beneath the Straits of Mackinac. The permit, issued under Part 365 of Michigan's Natural Resources and Environmental Protection Act, authorizes construction of a utility tunnel that would eventually house a replacement for the existing 73-year-old dual Line 5 pipelines. Before granting the permit, the DNR evaluated the project's potential effects on rare plants, wildlife, and sensitive habitats in the construction area. The agency determined the project would impact populations of Houghton's goldenrod and dwarf lake iris, both of which are listed as threatened under federal and state law. The project also has the potential to affect habitat used by several bat species. As part of the review process, the DNR conducted 2 rounds of consultation with tribal governments and considered the tribe's research, expertise, and concerns regarding the project. Because the affected plant species are federally protected, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service also reviewed the proposal. The federal agency concluded the tunnel project would not jeopardize the continued existence of either Houghton's goldenrod or dwarf lake iris. After reviewing the available scientific information, the DNR reached the same conclusion, determining that while localized impacts are expected, the project is unlikely to prevent the long-term recovery of either species. To minimize environmental impacts, the DNR included several conditions in the permit that Enbridge must meet during and after construction. These requirements include preserving topsoil and collecting seeds to restore affected populations of Houghton's goldenrod and dwarf lake iris, monitoring restored areas for at least 5 years, and limiting tree clearing to winter months to avoid disturbing bats. Additional permit conditions require construction crews to avoid sensitive plant areas whenever possible, maintain surrounding native vegetation, minimize herbicide use, consider long-term conservation measures such as conservation easements, and explore additional opportunities to support recovery efforts for impacted rare plant species.